So
May excuse me for a minute? I'll just have
yes.
1 second. I would
Mhm.
like to ask all the startups and all the viewers, everyone who is listening to us today, uh, if you see an opportunity to support any of the startups by linking them to companies in your countries, by introducing them to someone who is working in the same field, by somebody who is having experience to mentor them and to help them starting, this is a very good opportunity because those projects are born globally to help global teams that are putting great ideas out there. So thank you, everyone. Mr. John, hello and welcome again. Last week, last episode, we couldn't hear you. So good luck to you and let's hear from you.
Hello, sir. Good evening. Thank you for this opportunity you given to us in presenting our project. My project is I'm the CEO of online marketplace for Sidra ecosystem, and our company's name is Raya Global Inc. I have an experience with digital marketing, real estate, and IT. I've always been passionate about using technology in using to create meaningful solutions. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce Falcon Bay, an AI-powered Sharia-compliant marketplace app designed to bridge the gap between modern e-commerce and ethical halal values. Consumers seeking ethical halal certified products often find it challenging to locate platform they can trust. Many existing e-commerce platforms either lack transparency or don't meet specific religious and ethical standards valid for over 2 billion Muslims worldwide. And Falcon Bay is here to change that. We offer a revolutionary solution, verified halal products. Every product is listed is certified by recognized halal bodies, ensuring complete trust and transparency. We also have AI power recommendations. Our AI powered technology personalized your experience recommending halal and ethical products tailored to your preference. We also have Sharia compliant payments using Sidra digital assets. We ensure all transactions are interest free and aligned with Islamic financial principles. We also have multilingual support. It's available in Arabic, Hausa, English, French, Vietnamese, and more. Falcon Bay is built for a global audience. The Islamic economy is poised to surpass $5 trillion by 2025. With halal e-commerce leading the charge, Falcon Bay is seizing this unique opportunity by targeting fast-growing markets in Southeast Asia, MENA region, GCC, and regions with large Muslim population, and rising demand for ethical, halal certified products by offering a tailored Sharia-compliant platform. Falcon Bay aims to challenge big e-commerce companies and become the dominant player in this rapidly expanding sector. Our business model is designed for long-term sustainability and scalability. We generate through three key streams: commission and revenue, commission and product sales, premium subscription for sellers, advertisement slot for halal certified and ethical brands. Our pricing strategy is competitive and transparent, ensuring that sellers gain maximum value while customers enjoy the best prices. Our project is in the early stages and we already have traction, having 146,000 STA contributions and being the top 9 in the Cedar Start Hackathon. We project $1.5 million in revenue within our first year and scaling to $5 million on the third year. Break even is expected within 18 months. We are seeking $10,000 to fund our initial online operations in Vietnam, Nigeria, Qatar, and Indonesia. It will be allocated to marketing and promotion, social media campaign, influencer partnerships, and Google Ads. We will also develop our app, and also we're gonna be having partnership with local logistics and payment integrations. And Falconbee stands out among competitors by offering a fully Sharia compliant online marketplace, integrating Sidra digital assets for seamless payment and efficient services across diverse markets. Investing in Falcon Bay is not just about financial returns. It's about making a real difference, with a portion of our earnings being donated to the Raya Global Foundation as part of our Sakat initiatives. Your investment will be directly contributed to helping those in need. By supporting our app, you're empowering a platform that only promotes growth but also supports humanitarian efforts worldwide. Thank you for your time and consideration, and we are excited and looking forward in partnering with you in this exciting journey. Thank you.